Hello, guys. I want us to define violence in its fullest extent, okay? And why people think that violence is only physical, but that's not true. Violence comes in many forms, and until you understand those forms, you will always be a victim, okay? Denying people healthcare is violence. Denying people water, food, poisoning waterways, poisoning our food. That is violence towards people. When you have police officers or organizations created by the government to violate people, like ICE, police officers that refuse to serve and protect all communities, that is violence. Okay? When you have people that make decisions when you're not there, when you're not in the room, and then tell you that it's somehow good for you, that is violence. They're doing violation towards you. Those are violent people. Listen, violence, okay, the most common is physical, but it goes beyond that. And a lot of people don't actually suffer physical violence. There's psychological violence. There's a lot of violence that happens to people. Okay? Listen to me, man. Every single person, and that's why we came up with the idea of democracy, okay? Every single person should have a say. Listen, it doesn't mean that we take all opinions, and that's why we have the process of counting votes, okay? But still, if someone, okay, tries to make decisions about you and your future when you're not in the room, notice that is pure violence against you. Those people are violent, man. They will never put your best interests in that conversation. They're planning on violating you, man. Okay? Now let's take a look at our country, the United States. How billionaires and these multimillionaires and all these people in power, they make decisions in rooms that we are not involved in. That is violence towards us. They violate us every single day. Listen to me, man. We live in a republic. Okay? We shouldn't allow a few to rule us, to poison our water and food, to divide us, to create a caste system. Listen, whiteness is a caste system in America that violates every other group of Americans. It says that anybody put in the white group should have more things or better things than any other group. It is violence towards the masses. It is a caste system. And we need to understand these things, man. When someone tries to impose their religious beliefs onto you, it is violence. Listen to me, man. There is a clear separation between religion and state, religion and law. Because you can never expect Christians to do good towards other religions. The same way you can never expect other religions to do good by other religions. And we know this. And that's why there's a clear separation between religion and state, or law and your religious beliefs. Because people will violate other people. So we need to understand these different forms of violence, man. There are many other forms of violence, okay? Like when people choose to uplift one gender over the other. Listen, it seems like a good thing, but that is violence towards another gender. Listen to me, man. To solve our problems, we have to uplift everybody, not just one gender over the other. Okay? Listen to me, man. Listen to me, man. And listen to me carefully. There will never come a time where you will ever justify violence, man. Okay? Listen, I know these are ideas that don't get many views, but I'm not concerned with that. Listen to me, man. As long as one or two people get this, they can go out there and teach another one or two people. Okay? Listen, it's logic over emotions, man. Those in power want us to be emotional so we don't logically conclude that they are the problem. That billionaires are the problem, not immigrants, not the Hispanic community, not women. It is the billionaires. The fact that we even have billionaires is a sign of our failure to deal with violence against humanity. But you guys tell me what you think.